So today's tutorial we'll be talking about how to make salted caramel sauce. And the first thing is to add sugar to your pot, then add water. After which we're going to give it a quick stir for about 2 minutes. This is just to ensure that the sugar dissolves in the water. And the sauce should be cooked on medium heat because we don't want our sugar to get burnt, thereby giving us a very dark and bitter salted caramel sauce. So here you can see now that there's been a little bit of change in the consistency of the sauce. So here I can see our water evaporating little by little. At this point, a little tilt to the left and right would help with the mixture of the sugar and water. So here you can see a change in the color of the sauce. It's already giving us that amber color we are looking for, or should I call it a golden brown color, not a very dark brown, or a light brown or a golden brown color. At this stage, the remaining ingredients are to be added. So here I'm adding unsalted butter, then giving it a quick mix until the butter completely melts in the sauce. The mixture might take in at this point, but there is no cause for concern. Add heavy cream, then add vanilla flavor to give us that nice salted caramel flavor, and then we added salt. Give it a quick mix, after which we'll then transfer back to the cooker to heat it up for like 5 minutes. At this point, when we begin to see bubbles, that means it is ready to be removed from the cooker. Here we just give it a quick mix, and then one thing I always do is to sieve my salted caramel sauce to get that smooth texture that I'm looking for. And then I store in a jar for about 2 to 3 weeks in the refrigerator. Can you see how lush it looks already? I'm going to place the container in the refrigerator and allow it to sit there for 2 hours. This is after 2 hours, and as you can see, it has thickened up a bit, and you can see how lush it is. When your sauce has a dark brown color, it means your sugar got burnt. And the bad effects are the taste will be bitter, the smell will smell like a burnt sugar, and then it won't thicken up after refrigerating.